Hi guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to create an image using Bing AI. Yes, you heard it right. With just using this Bing AI application, we can produce or we can create our own image that we want. Alright, so I know that you are so excited, so let's dive into it. All you need to do, guys, is open your Bing AI application. So since I have here already one, so let us just stop this. And of course, guys, by the way, when you have to open your Bing AI or when you're going to use Bing AI, do not forget to sign in your Microsoft account. Because if you fail to do so, then Bing AI cannot process your request. Bing AI cannot give you an image that you requested. Alright? So now, as you can see here, over here at the lower part of the screen, guys, there are 5 icons. The homepage icons, the news icons, the chat box icons, the tab icons, and the apps. So now the second step is we have to tap these apps. So you can see, guys, we have here our interest, bookmarks, history, settings, and our profile over here at the upper part. So now let us go to at the lower part of the screen. There is we can explore a different application that we may use. Okay, an interesting application in Bing AI. Now, since we're going to create an image, let us stop this Bing Image Creator over here. So once we tap this one, guys, we can now start giving an important details for AI to reproduce. Okay, so it says here, create art from words with AI. So over here, guys, at the chat box, this is where we can type the details of the image that we want to produce. Okay, so let's say, for example, a broken heart. Okay, a broken heart, color block. Color block. By the way, guys, when you are going to give details to Bing AI, you have to be more specific so that Bing AI can give you the exact image that you want. Alright? So after putting or inputting or giving the details of the picture, you can now proceed to this blue button, create, so that Bing AI can start creating your image. Alright? So there we go. This is on how to create image using Bing AI. So if you want to know on how to create image using Bing AI, that's the simplest way I know. And if you know another way on how to create Bing AI or how to create image using Bing AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!